Here we have the rear seat covers for the Jaguar XJ two-door coupe. They had a couple of different variations on the two-door coupe versions, mainly to do with the width of the pleats here. So this is the 2-inch pleats version, and they're also the plain pleats, so they don't have that embossed pattern and they're purely plain. This has been done in cinnamon, so it's an antique colour. You can just about make it out, almost have these blotches of black going through it to give it that antiquing. It's an original colour for Jaguar. So the seats are leather faced, meaning pretty much all of this top area here is leather. So the bits that touch your body when you're sat in them are leather. The surrounds and retainers are vinyl. So this surround round here is vinyl, etc. here as well, and a retainer at the back. So 2-inch pleats, as I said, they are genuine tuck and roll pleats. I'll try and show you that so you can see there. Slit into the foam, tuck and roll, so it gets you a nice genuine pleat. So you get one, that's the cushion cover, the bit your bum goes on. So that's one cover there, bear with me. And then you get a backrest cover, which is rather big. So, excuse me. Backrest cover, again, 2-inch pleats. They curve off as original. Again, the 2-inch version, you had this this horseshoe element in the middle here. The 1-inch pleats version was slightly different. You get these side panels that bend around on the side of the car, then that's where the sort of armrest for the rear quarter panels sits nicely. Leather faced as per the cushions, obviously, so the majority of it is leather around here, the bits that touch your body. Then you get vinyl surrounds here and the armrest apertures. You will also get an armrest cover here, so it sits inside this aperture here. It has a little leather tab here and top stitching, so that goes like that, as you can see, opens up like that. So that's your rear seats.